Hi, my name's Dave Allen, the Managing Director of Pike and Shot Events Limited, and I organise historical events and tours in Britain and occasionally overseas. We're a company that was established in 1982, and we were very lucky in being chosen to put together the Chalk Valley History Festival. The first of one of the festivals took place in 2011 with just 3 people. Since then it's grown exponentially year on year, and here we are today at one of the largest festivals in Britain, incorporating both literature, history and immersive and interactive activities. All of this is put together by Pike and Shot Events Limited, and we specialise in both types of history but also educational elements of history. So the festival itself runs now over 7 days, 2 of which are dedicated to schools, 1 of which is dedicated to special educational needs schools, and from that we develop different presentations across the week, Monday to Friday. On Friday afternoon and evening there's the big build, and then we arrive at Saturday and Sunday, the big finale, the weekend, which is full-blown public events with thousands of people and hopefully hundreds of reenactors and living historians presenting their knowledge to the wider world. I'm just doing my morning rounds right now just to check everything is in place, and hopefully you'll be able to see a number of different things as we take our travels today. We're just making our way now to the end of this particular event's setup, living history setup. I want to show you a little bit of what else we can provide, because we're not all just about living history. There's also the possibility of arena events. And arena events are the spectaculars, which are dangerous for the public to watch, and so we have to have an environment where it's safe for the public but also safe for the participant. So as we stop here, we're now at the end of the Chalk Valley History Festival field. I'll just bring it to a halt, apply the brake, and I'll be able to speak to you a little bit easier. So, behind me we have quite a large arena, not the largest we've worked with, and in here we have the discharge of both black powder weapons. We can also use modern weapons like World War I, World War II, but we can take it right back to the time of the longbow. Horse, of course, and vehicle movements within here are also spectacular as an arena event, but you can also enhance your particular show by having marshalled transit of convoys, or perhaps cavalry brigades, infantry march passes, musical enhancements, all that kind of thing, even on the public highway, is available in consultation with Pike and Shot. We are what is known as totally flexible to the customer needs within the law. We have fully functional firearms and special effects teams, from gunpowder discharge of weapons to sound systems, etc., one of which is being tested in the background, ready for the next part of the show. If you want to learn more, the best way to get in touch would be by email. Now, whilst some people may say, well, surely a show like that costs millions, we have in the past done small shows for a couple of thousand, or single person presentations for just a few £100s. We are fully aware of the current economic situation and happy to adapt to your available budget. Another opportunity that we've come up with for Chalk Valley History Festival is interested sponsorship. So if you've got a particular person that's interested in promoting their business through the medium of a sponsorship deal with a historical show, we're quite open to discuss with that, where we can put you in touch with our finance team and of course our photography and filming team, and they can enhance your products in various different ways, even down to TV and advertisement or radio advertisement. I hope that's given you a basic insight. There will be lots more to follow, but for now I think we'll send you back to the peace and quiet of the countryside, where we continue in the setup of the Chalk Valley History Festival.